Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Ford Mustang convertible with a 428 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. And this one I filmed at the Dallas Fort Worth Mecum auction 2025 on Saturday, November 1st. And it sold for $93,500. And I'll read off Mecum's website as far as details. The odometer reads 72,567 miles, and it's a 428 cubic inch V8 automatic, candy apple red paint, dark red interior, and it was ordered, delivered, and purchased in Hughes Spring, Texas. One of one produced as equipped per Marty report. Rotisserie restoration. Matching numbers Q code 428 cubic inch V8 engine. A non-ram error, a C6 automatic transmission, competition suspension, elite Marty report, copy of the window sticker, body-colored factory steel wheels with Goodyear polyglass tires included. And the Marty report shows there were only 50 built with the 428 Cobra Jet non-ram air engines. And 6 were painted candy apple red, and 1 had a dark red standard bucket seat interior, and that's this car. And if you want more information on the car, you can go to Mecum's website and go to the Dallas Fort Worth auction 2025 and just look up lot S62 1969 Ford Mustang convertible. And that'll give you more pictures and more details about the car. And like I said, it sold for $93,500 at the Mecum Dallas Fort Worth 2025 auction on Saturday, November 1st. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.